Yes, so today we will see the topic that is Ohm's law. You might have learned this topic in the 12, but as it is a part of syllabus, we need to see what is Ohm's law, what is the definition of Ohm's law, and simple problems on the Ohm's law, which may be for 2 or 4 marks in the examination. So, what is Ohm's law? Ohm's law states that the voltage across a conductor is directly, very important word, directly proportional to the current flowing through it, provided that all physical conditions and temperature remains constant. Yes, this is also important, provided all physical conditions and temperature remains constant. And you know that what is the formula for Ohm's law? That is V is equals to IR. So if you want to calculate the voltage, you can calculate the multiplication of current and the resistance. Okay. In the equation, a constant proportionality, that is R, is called as a resistance and has a unit is ohm, and symbol is like that. Ohm. Okay. So the same formula for this Ohm's law, that you can say that I is equals to V by R, right? So V is equals to IR, say I is equals to V by R, and if you want to calculate the R, that is you can calculate with the help of V by I. Okay, so this is a very simple topic, that is Ohm's law, and this is definition. And now the question can be like that. That calculate voltage or current or resistance using ohms. So if the question is like that, if the resistance of electric iron is 50 ohm and the current is 3.2 ampere flows through the resistance, find the voltage between 2 point. Very simple question, right? तो हमें क्या निकालना है स्टूडेंट? Voltage निकाल. So what is the formula of if you want to calculate the voltage using Ohm's law, that is V is equals to I into R, right? So what is the value of I? That is current क्या दिया हमें? 3.2 ampere, that I have put over here. What is the value of R? R is what? 50 ohm, right? So I am put the value 50 ohm. And with the help of calci is allowed in the examination. 3.2 into 50, you will get at 16 kilo. So what is the answer for this particular question? That is, the voltage across this 2 point is 160 ohm. Now, in some question, they can be asked find out the value of current, and some question they can ask find out the value of resistance. Okay, so simple problem. So a very important thing in the examination, the question may be like that: calculate the power from the Ohm's law. So you need to remember these three formulas for calculation of power from voltage and current and resistance. So any one of the formula you can use here. That is, power का formula क्या है? V square divided by R. Power, you can calculate the power, that is I square into R. You can calculate the power with the help of voltage into current. Whatever is given in the problem statement, what values are given in the problem statement, according to that you can use any one of the formula. Okay, so you can calculate the power from this, right? Now in this particular case, if the question is like that, this is homework for you people, very simple. Calculate the power. So how to calculate the power? If you use this formula, that is V into I. Okay, so V into I. So what is the value of V? That is 160 volt. And what is the value of I? That is 3.4. So 3.2 into 160, whatever the answer you will get, this is the power of this entire problem, right? So simple, you can calculate the power with the help of anyone in the formula. You will get the same answer by all the. Yes. Now the question, a sub question can be like that: what are the applications of Ohm's law and what are the limitations of Ohm's law? So the applications very simple: to determine the voltage, resistance, and current of the electric circuit, that right now we have calculated, and Ohm's law is also used in the DC ammeter and DC shunt circuit, right? So what is the limitations of Ohm's law? Very important. Limitations of Ohm's law is what? The Ohm's law is not applicable for unilateral electric element like diode and transistor. So what is unilateral? That is also I have told you in the classification of elect. What is unilateral? So Ohm's law is not applicable for the unilateral circuit element, that is diode and transistor, as they allows the current flow through in only one direction. And what is the next? For non-linear electric element with parameter like capacitance and resistance, the ratio of voltage and current won't be constant with respect to time, making it difficult to use the Ohm's law. So these are the two limitations of Ohm's law. Thank you.